Kneader AE900A 3.5 kg capacity being checked for Daraz order on 3rd January 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade inside, a metal blade, measuring flask and a warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. It's a brand new machine, just unpacked from its original carton. We'll show you from the bottom also. You can see there are no damages. Now we'll start the machine. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. This is the carton, and we pack the carton in the brown sheet and then this bubble wrap for safe packaging. The carton inside has a thermopore at the bottom, and this is the thermopore which will be on the top of the machine. You can see the machine has automatically stopped and it is absolutely okay. And now we'll pack it for Daraz. तार सही किए नीचे